What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Bromadic Life Adventures. I am Brian the Bromad. It is a beautiful day outside, and today I'm on my way to Cedar Hill State Park in the Dallas, Texas area. Stay tuned to find out why. Welcome to Bromadic Life Adventures. Let's go. All right, so before we get started, if you like my video, please don't forget to hit the like button. Also, if you enjoy watching my videos over and over, hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you as a subscriber. And if you would, share my videos with your friends. Also, I have an RV update. If you've been watching my channel, you'll know that about 5 or 6 weeks ago, I had to put my RV in the shop. What happened was I was on my way to drop off my RV to someone who rented it through RV Share, and I had ordered a part for my RV, just a small part, and on the way to drop off the rental, I stopped by the RV dealership. Shout out to Vought RV. I picked up the part. I was in and out in about 5 minutes. As soon as I drove off the parking lot, I got a phone call from Vought, and they said, "Hey, do you know that your roof, part of your roof is torn up?" And I said, "Really?" So at that time, I did not have time to go back to the dealership because I didn't want to be late dropping off my RV to my renters. A couple days later, when I picked up my RV, I took it into the dealership, and then they told me after inspection that the whole roof needed to be replaced. So that has taken about 5 or 6 weeks. Well, I got some good news. They told me that I can pick up my RV on tomorrow. Yes, I can't wait. Now I can get back to my regular RV adventure episodes, and I'm taking you with me. In fact, I have a big one coming up next weekend that I'll tell you about a little later. Today, I am on my way to Cedar Hill State Park, which is just outside of Dallas. The reason I'm going today is I am starting a new segment of my videos called Camping Meal Mondays. Camping Meals Mondays will be a segment of my show that I'll do on a Monday. I'm not sure how frequently. Right now, I'm thinking I'll have time to do 2 Monday episodes of Camping Meal Monday. And on that episode, I will be preparing, going through the process of preparing, cooking, and tasting, and letting you know what I think of different camping meals. Now, the meals I'll be preparing, some of them are meals that I've come up with through trial and error. Some of them are meals that I found out by researching online for different recipes, and some may be from suggestions that you have made. So we are going to get to Cedar Hill State Park, get everything set up, and we're gonna cook the first meal for Camping Meal Monday. Let's go. As you can see, the park is crowded. While I'm waiting, let me tell you a little bit about Cedar Hill State Park. Cedar Hill State Park is a 1,826-acre park located on the eastern shore of Joe Pool Lake in Cedar Hill, Texas, about 10 miles southwest of Dallas. If you're looking for a place to enjoy nature and the great outdoors, there are plenty of things to do at Cedar Hill State Park. Hiking, biking, picnicking, camping, geocaching, and nature watching are just a few exciting things to do at Cedar Hill State Park. The park sits on the shore of Joe Pool Lake, so you can also enjoy swimming, fishing, boating, or paddling. For overnight camping, there are 147 full hookup RV campsites for about $30 a night. There are 192 electricity-only campsites for $25 a night, and there are 30 primitive campsites, hike-in only, for $10 a night.
There you go.
All right, appreciate you. All right, so I'm all checked in now. I just got to find a good spot so I can set everything up and get things rolling. Let's go. Yeah. Now that I've found the perfect location and I've got the fire going pretty good, it's time to prepare the first meal for Camping Meal Monday, grilled chicken kebabs. Here are the seasonings that I'll be using: Parmesan cheese, seasoning salt, smoked paprika, garlic powder, Old Bay seasoning, Italian seasoning, and Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue. Here are the food items that I'll be cooking: red onion, sweet peppers, mushrooms, zucchini, pineapples, bacon, and boneless, skinless chicken thighs. You'll also need skewers, a sharp knife, and a cutting board. Let's start by cutting up our food items in as close to 1-inch pieces as possible. Once you finish cutting your food items, add your chicken pieces to a Ziploc bag, add your seasonings, and mix thoroughly. Add Italian seasoning and smoked paprika to your mushrooms. Add garlic powder and Old Bay seasoning to your zucchini. Now it's time to add the food items to our skewers. As a word of advice, if you're using wooden skewers, make sure you soak them in water before you put them on the grill. I kind of skipped that step, and while I was cooking my skewers, a couple of my wooden skewers caught on fire. Lesson learned. One of the cool things about cooking skewers is you can add whatever arrangement of food items that you want to. You can do all veggies or all meat, or I like to do a combination. If you notice, I even added pineapples to my skewer. The sweetness of the pineapples go perfectly with the kick of the spices. By the way, for all you doubters out there, pineapples do go on pizza. I just wanted to get that out there. Now it's time to place these bad boys on the grill and get them cooking. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you my grilled chicken skewers. Now it's time to see what they tasting like. I ain't gonna lie, these grilled chicken kebabs were absolutely delicious. If you think this is something that you may try as one of your camping meals, let me know in the comments. Also, if you have a meal that you think I should try on Camping Meal Monday, leave that in the comments as well. Well, my work for today is done. Now it's time for me to just chill out. Thank you for watching this episode of Bromadic Life Adventures. If you thought this episode was cool, click on the like button and share this channel with your friends. If you have not already done so, I invite you to click on the subscribe button so you can subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you may be notified anytime a new episode is released. If you have any positive comments, please leave them in the comments section. All these things will help me grow my channel and make it better. This is Brian the Bromad. God bless and peace.